Hello everyone, my name is Peter Duffy and I'm your tutor in this YouTube channel. So today we'll be looking at mathematics, and in our mathematics video lecture we'll be looking at number bases. And here we are going to examine three major things. The first one is how to convert from a number in another base to base 10. And then we'll look at how to convert from base 10 to base to a number in another base. That is, we are going from one base to base 10, and then from a base to base from base 10 to that base. That's what we're looking at. Then the third thing we'll now be looking at is number bases in equations, how to deal with number bases in equations. So first and foremost, we'll be starting off with converting from a number in another base to base 10. So in this example, we have a number in base 2 to base 10, and the number is 100,111 base 2 to base 10. So how do we convert it? The first thing you are going to do is this. You are going to assign numbers or powers to that number. You write down the number first. This is 10011 base 2. I wrote it down first. Then I'm going to assign numbers from 0, integers from 0 upwards, to every number starting from the last number on the right hand side. The last number on the right hand side, this is the right hand side, this is the left hand side. The last number on the right hand side is 1. So I'm going to assign the numbers starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then after that, I will now start working it out like this. This is 1. So I'll go 1 times the base, which is 2. The base is 2. Raised to the power of that number I assigned to it, which is 5. So I do that. 1 times 2 raised to power 5. Then 0 times 2 raised to power of 4. 0 times 2 raised to power of 3. 1 times 2 raised to power of 2. 1 times 2 raised to power of 1. 1 times 2 raised to power of 0. That's how I arrived in this place. So 2 raised to the power of 5 is 2 in 5 places, multiplied in 5 places. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places, giving you 32. The mistake some students usually make is to think that 2 raised to the power of 5 means 2 times 5. That is wrong. 2 raised to the power of 5 means 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And that will give you 32, because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So you have 1 times 32. Then here we have 0 times 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. In 4 places, that's 16. 0 times 16. Same thing, 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. And anything raised to power 0 is 1. Any number at all, 2, 3, a million, a billion, to the power of 0 is 1. So that's 1 times 1. Now 1 times 32 will give you 32. 0 times 16 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. When you add up all the numbers, you have 39 base 10. So we have converted 10011 base 2 to 111 base 2 to base 10. Now you are given a number in base 10 and asked to convert it to any specific base. It could be base 2, base 3, base 4, base 5, any base at all. The method to go about it is the method of long division. So the number that is in base 10 will go inside. 39 will be inside, while the base to which you are to convert to will go outside, which is base 2. So you start to divide. 2 in 39 will give you 19, remainder 1. 19 divided by 2 will give you 9, remainder 1. 9 divided by 2 will give you 4, remainder 1. And 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, remainder 0. 2 divided by 2 will give you 1, remainder 0. And then 1 divided by 2 will give you 0, remainder 1. Now take note to help you with this. Anytime the number, if you look here, the number inside is bigger than the number outside. The number inside is bigger than the number outside. The number inside is bigger than the number outside. The number inside is bigger than the number outside. The number inside is bigger than the number outside. But at this point, the number inside became smaller than the number outside. Whenever you have it in this case, just write 0, remainder, the number inside. 0, remainder, the number inside, which is 0, remainder 1. Then you trace it from down upwards. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 39 base 10 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 base 2. Now we move on to the third aspect of our lecture this morning. It is number bases in equations. The first question is solve for x in 39 base x is equal to 10011 base 2. The first thing to do, anytime you are presented with number bases in equation, is to convert both sides to base 10. Convert both sides to base 10. If one side is already in base 10, let's say this place were to be in base 10, you don't need to convert it, just leave it like that. But if it is in another base other than base 10, convert it to base 10. I've already shown you how to convert to base 10 using this approach, using this method. So applying that method into this place, 39 base x will be, you assign 0 and 1. Rewrite it, 39 base x. Then assign 0 and 1. 3 times x raised to power 1, 9 times x raised to power 0. Doing the same thing here, just as we did in the previous example, you would have all of these expressions. Now, x raised to power 1 is x. Any number raised to power 1 is that number. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. You need to take note of this. Don't make the mistake. Any number raised to power 1 is that number. Any number raised to power of 0 is 1. So you have 3 times x and then 9 times 1. And then when you do this, you end up with 39 on this side. You end up with 3x plus 9. 3 times x is 3x. 9 times 1 is 9. So you end up with 3x plus 9 is equal to 39. You collect like terms. This is 9, positive 9. When it goes to the other side, it becomes negative 9. 3x will be left here. 3x is equal to 39 minus 9, which is 30. 3x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 over 3, which is 10. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So there you have it. Number bases in equation, how to convert from a base to base 10, from base 10 to another base, and how to solve equations involving number bases. Now, if you are perhaps preparing for post-UTME or UTME or any Nigerian based examinations such as nursing school exams and all of that, do get in touch with me. I have my links in the description box below. Links to my WhatsApp channel, my phone number, everything is there in the description box. You can get in touch with me, and I can always provide you with the adequate tutoring services for you to excel academically. With that, bye for now.